Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without a machine. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. Combine these in a large, chilled bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the mixture on high speed until it thickens and forms soft peaks. This usually takes around 5 minutes. Once whipped, carefully pour the creamy mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container, preparing it for the next step. Now let's talk about adding delicious flavors to your base. After whipping the cream mixture, gently fold in your desired mix-ins. Think about chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or fresh berries. For a rich chocolate ice cream, incorporate about 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer a refreshing mint flavor, a half teaspoon of peppermint extract works wonderfully. Be creative and experiment with your favorite combinations. Achieving the right texture is key for no-machine ice cream. Place your container in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally, overnight. For the first 2 hours of freezing, stir the mixture thoroughly every 30 minutes. This crucial step helps break up any large ice crystals that might form, ensuring your ice cream remains smooth and creamy, just like store-bought varieties. Don't skip this step for the best results. Before serving, let your homemade ice cream sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. For storing any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container. This will help maintain its freshness and prevent freezer burn for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, machine-free ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.